Hello friends, welcome back. Need to protect the user images in Azure Storage. In this video, we will generate the SAS token, Shared Access Signature token in .NET Core API, ensuring that only logged in users can access their images securely from an Angular app. Let's build this step by step and let's get started now. This video is part of the full stack development video series. We were building the Smart Certify online certification platform application, and in this specific video, we're going to deal with how we can generate the SAS token, the Shared Access Signature token for a protected images in the Azure Storage. It's just a quick recap. In the Azure portal, in the previous videos, we were able to create an Azure Storage account like this. And in this, we had two containers. One is the images and one is the user images. Images is the public access allowed, which is like an anonymous access. Anyone can access anything inside this. However, images that are uploaded here inside the user images container, it's a private container. So only we wanted to give permission for the users after they log in. That's why we are generating the SAS token. But if you go inside this, go to generate SAS, you can generate the SAS here. But we wanted to generate this programmatically from .NET Core Web API, because from the UI perspective, this is the UI, and from the UI perspective, this is calling the backend to get the response. So from the UI perspective, if you see, the UI has been invoking the backend, and then the backend is actually giving the SAS token. You can clearly see the SAS token is coming here. Only because of this access, we were able to check the images here. All right, so that's important. That's why we need to protect the resources. Now let's jump back to the .NET Core API, where we are going to generate the SAS token programmatically. So here is the flow. So user is going to invoke a method called getUserProfile. And getUserProfile is nothing but it is going to send the user ID, and then it is going to go here and get the user profile image. So the profile image URL is nothing but the one which is stored in the database like this. So you can see it's like this. Okay, so it's going to take this URL which is assigned to that particular user. So from that, it is going to send to this method, and this method basically has the storage service. So this is under the storage service. The only thing that we do inside the constructor is take the connection string of the storage account, which is listed here under the storage account connection string. So the connection string has been taken, the container name has been taken. Now it comes to this generate SAS token. So here what we are doing is we are getting the container instance client. Once we have that, we will invoke get blob client by just passing only the file name. This logic is nothing but this whole logic, right? We are splitting the image content into slash, which means this will become 1, 2, 3, 4 here, right? So we have to just pass only the name of the file. Okay, so we have put the breakpoint, and if it is going to be excess, it's going to create a SAS token. But if you look at this, so once we get the blob client, we are going to pass this blob client reference to another method, and this method, this is going to create the access signature. So it's building the SAS builder. Using that, it's giving the container name, the name of the file, what permission has been given, it's a blob or not, and how many seconds, like 8,000 seconds. After that, after 1 hour, the blob gets expired. Once it sets this image, it is going to call this SAS builder and set the permission as read request, like read level, and then execute it. After that, that's it. It will get the content of the execution, and that is what it is being sent in the return type. So I'm going to run this and see how things work. See, we have hit this endpoint. Endpoint is 12. So 12 is the user ID. We take this, we get the content. Let's see what is the content. Image URL. Okay, and then let's go inside. We're creating this, all good. you do access, and then it's going inside this. It is setting up all of the stuff, setting the permission, executing the query, and finally it is going to send back the response. See, it's coming here. Here is the SAS token. Okay, this token is what we are sending it back. So now if I just forward it and remove this breakpoint, it'll come here and the image started loading. So basically, if you look at this, there will be an image coming up here. I'm going to copy this, go here, paste it here. Because of the SAS token, image got downloaded. But if I try to remove the SAS token, it will say image is not there. Okay, so this is how we generate the SAS token using the .NET Core 9 Web API programmatically. It's all possible. So UI will actually take the SAS token and start showing this image. This image will be, if I log out, this image will go away. And even if you have this URL, you cannot view the image. So that way we protect the user's image. This is just an example how you can actually, protect certain images or certain contents files into a private container under the storage account, and you can generate the SAS token to give temporary access to access the files. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you have any more questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. So join the Telegram group where we share knowledge to each other, help each other, and grow together. If you need anything specific videos, let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!